Hello friends, welcome to Spicy Flavors. I'm on vacation. The best time to make butter chicken. It's going to be nice and smooth and you're going to love it. So let's get cooking. So for the butter chicken here we have 5 tomatoes diced, 4 green chilies, 1 whole onion diced, and we also have 6 chicken breasts which have been chopped. And we're going to spice it up and marinate them. Half a cube of butter. To flavor the oil, let's add a few green cardamoms and a couple of bay leaves. You like your oil to be nice and flavorful. Now let's add the chicken. The chicken has been marinating for over 2 hours now, so all the spices have been really absorbed well. Just make sure to spread them around. This looks good. Now to the same pan, let's add the onions. Now we add the green chilies and the tomatoes. All this would give a nice smooth consistency after we put it into the blender. Let's let it cook for about 3 to 4 minutes. Let's add a few cashew nuts. This makes the gravy a little more thicker. To this I'm going to add a little bit of butter chicken masala just for the flavor. This looks good. This is a butter chicken sauce, nice and smooth. Cube of butter with butter chicken. A little more butter is always delicious. You can now add the sauce. Look at the sauce, nice and smooth. Can't get any better than this. You can let this cook for a minute. You want the sauce to absorb all the butter. Let's add the fenugreek leaves. I like to crush them because all the flavors get released. Just make sure the burner is on low because if you don't want the surface to get burnt. Wow, it smells delicious. You can let it cook for about 2 minutes. Wow, this is looking yummy. I would also like to thank my friend Yuranda for really helping me with this video, doing all the prep work, all the camera angles. I really appreciate it. Now we could add a little bit of carnation milk. Cilantro, I really love it. Just makes the recipe really yummy. Wow, look at this, guys. This is butter chicken from Spicy Flavors. If you love the video, please consider subscribing to my channel. Give it a like and leave a comment. That would be greatly appreciated. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye.